How to replace a 2022 Chevy Blazer 5-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and replace the battery on our Chevy Blazer 5-button smart key remote. For this task you will need your remote, flat tip screwdriver, and the CR2032 battery. Go ahead, if your keyring is attached, leave it on there, it will not matter. Push right here, which is emergency blade release, and when you do, you'll look down inside, you'll notice there's this lip right here. Take your emergency blade, slide it right on top of it, and just twist it. And you'll notice it cracks open a little, and just pry the two halves apart. When you do, you'll notice the pad came out with it. Don't worry. Go ahead and just set that over here. I'm using this to show. Gently remove this. This is what holds your battery down. We'll set that to the side. Take the corner of your flat tip, put it under the battery. And there you go. You just pried up your CR2032 battery. Let's go ahead and reassemble this. This isn't the remote, so I'm just gonna put it back together. Push in, you notice it's secure. That rubber pad needs to be right there. This will line on top there, and this is gonna go against your battery. Easiest way to do this is when you put it in a little bit high, so that way when you put it down in there, you'll feel it spring in. You notice it locked in. You can leave your rubber pad in here if you push it down. Go ahead and assemble the two halves. There you go. You just changed out your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.